Today's hearing is intended to receive answers from the Department of Health on an emergency procurement for COVID-19 contact tracing. On June 23rd, the Department of General Services approved a request from the Department of Health for a year-long $34 million contract with Public Consulting Group through an emergency procurement. Emergency procurements allow state agencies to sidestep typical bidding practices to obtain supplies or services quickly in an emergency. Our colleagues in the House State Government Committee, led by Representative Jason Ortitai, explored this very issue yesterday during a public hearing. As we learned yesterday, the emergency procurement process has been used more in the last 16 months than ever before. The emergency procurement process was used last July to hire Insight Global, and the contract with Insight Global recently ended for failure to secure personal information collected throughout the contact tracing process. The contract was estimated to cost $25 million. In May, we attempted to hear from the Department of Health on this data breach in order to get answers on behalf of the over 72,000 Pennsylvanians who had their very personal healthcare data posted to publicly accessible websites. The department refused to attend this hearing due to pending litigation, which I know Acting Secretary Beam will address in just a few minutes. But make no mistake, many of us on both sides of the aisle have very serious concerns about the transparency of the entire emergency procurement process. Although the new emergency procurement contract has not been finalized, we have not seen any other emergency procurement approval requests on the Department of General Services website, leading many to believe that Public Consulting Group will likely be the winning bid. Therefore, these committees are holding this oversight hearing to answer these pressing questions and see what changes have been made to rectify the wrongs of the contact tracing program. However, if we do not receive adequate answers today, then the General Assembly must course correct these issues moving forward.